Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. More importantly, it's the Sunday after the time change. I hope you got the extra hour sleep. Somebody didn't get the memo to my Calico Fizzy. Yeah. Let's just say I've gotten some small naps since she woke me up around 3, the new time. All right, enough of my misery of lack of sleep. Last night, I prepared a pork and veggie stir fry. Oh, it was good. Simple, basic, flavorful over rice. It was excellent. The pork was tender. Today, I'm doing something very simple and I'm just building on the recipe. What's funny, this recipe, actually, let me tell you what I'm doing. Stir-fried eggs with cabbage. This is so simple. The base. It's got an Oriental or Asian flair to it. It's really funny because the ingredient list, there's no measurements. 0. So you can make this your own. You want more eggs, have more eggs. You want more cabbage, have more cabbage, or less, or more. You know where I'm going with this. And I'm actually adding things to it because I need to use up some things in the cold box that are just going to go bad. So let's get to it. I like to have cabbage on hand, because I always find ways to use it. I usually use it, probably twice in a week when I buy a head of cabbage. So green cabbage, eggs. The original recipe called for shallots. I'm going onion. I want the beefiness of the onion. I'm adding garlic. I got this little Roma tomato that needs to be taken care of. I have some fresh basil that I want to use up. And I got, these are just about turning, these green onions are turning a little, so I'm going to use those. And here's the Asian twist. Fish sauce, oyster sauce, and a splash or two of soy sauce. So as you can see, super basic, super easy. You cook your scrambled eggs, then set those aside, or at the same time do your onions, cabbage, garlic, get that all nice and soft, and combine them, and add the sauces. That's it. Yeah, I'm not going to do rice. I'm not going to do noodles. I'm just going to, I'm keeping it simple. All right. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.